Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a fancy border in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Microsoft Word. I just have a type or document, anything I can do. So now I just want to insert a fancy border. What I have to do here? So on top you will find a menu bar. So just go to designs. Once you click a designs option, there will be plenty of designs will be available for the theme, and every types of designs will be available. You can choose or you can use like an office model. So now I just want to insert the page border. So here there will be a page border in the designs. Just hit the button page border. Once you hit the button page border, there will be a borders, page border, and shading will be there. So just choose a page border over here in the center box, and here there will be a none, that is settings for the box or shadow or 3D, anything you want you can choose. While you choose, the preview will be displayed over here as you see. Yes, so there is a custom border also will be available. You can choose and access your custom border. So I just choose a shadow. So once I choose the shadow option, so what are the model will be available, I can choose the styles. For example, I just need a thin border or thick border. I can give according to my needs. So I can select the model. So I can choose the color also on the border. So once I select the color will be applied, as well as I can choose the width. So once I finish this one, I can click OK, means the border will be applied in my systems. Yes, so I just want to create a new page. Automatically the page also will have the border. So I just click here for the page border. So I can choose here and a different model and styles over there. So now I just want to give a art, that is fancy border style. I just click here for the art, and I can choose whatever design I want. I can have access. For example, I just choose this Christmas tree option, and I just apply. Automatically the Christmas tree will be applied in my border as you see here. So for example, I just want only the first page, that is welcome page only. I need a big page border. Just hit the button page border, choose the design, and apply to will be there. Just hit the button, this section or first page or expect first page. Just choose a first page only and click OK, means only the first page will be there and the second page will not be there in your border, so that it will be easy to have access. For example, you want to create a one more border styles, means just choose, and you can choose any types of border you want. You can have access. For example, you are going to create a timeline, you are going to create a fancy types of borders. Choose the borders, and you can choose this section, that is particular page you can have access, so that your border will be fixed in this page. So it will be easiest way you can insert a different types of pages, different types of page border with the fancy models. So you can choose here for the option. For example, top, bottom, and left, right, and measurement also you can give. For example, I just want to give 1 point in a top, 1 point in the bottom, 1 point in a right and left I can give, so that it will be fulfilled with the border as you see here. So there is no margin, only the border will be full with my everything. So you can choose according to your need. You can have access, and you can give a different types of borders, and you can have fancy borders you can type inside that one. So for the welcome to HowXT, like that you can give. So this is a borders for fancy borders, especially for Word, to create and impress your client as well as your students and your teachers. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.